Ever wondered how that sleek, user-friendly app your local plumber, electrician, or landscaper uses to manage their business actually makes money? I mean, think about it. They're handling scheduling, invoicing, payments, customer communication, all within one platform. It's a powerhouse, right? But how does a company like Jobber, which provides this kind of software, turn those features into a profitable business? We've all seen the ads, the testimonials, the promises of streamlined workflows and boosted revenue for service businesses. But behind the polished interface lies a complex business model, a carefully orchestrated system designed to generate revenue while empowering small businesses. Today, we're diving deep into the inner workings of Jobber, peeling back the layers to understand exactly how they make money. Let's be honest, in the digital age, a free lunch is a myth. Software as a service, SaaS, companies like Jobber operate on a principle of providing value in exchange for a fee. But it's not always a straightforward subscription model. There are nuances, strategic decisions, and a constant evolution to stay ahead in a competitive market. To understand Jobber's revenue streams, we need to first grasp the context of their target audience. They cater to a broad range of field service businesses: plumbers, electricians, cleaners, landscapers, HVAC technicians, and many more. These are businesses that operate on the go, requiring mobile-first solutions to manage their operations efficiently. They face unique challenges: scheduling conflicts, payment delays, communication breakdowns, and the constant need to acquire new customers. Jobber positions itself as the solution to these pain points. They offer a comprehensive platform that streamlines workflows, automates tasks, and enhances customer communication. But how does this translate into revenue? The most fundamental and visible revenue stream is their subscription model. Jobber offers tiered subscription plans, each catering to different business sizes and needs. These plans typically include a base fee for core features like scheduling, invoicing, and customer management. As businesses grow and require more advanced features, they can upgrade to higher tiers, unlocking functionalities like automated follow-ups, advanced reporting, and team management tools. This tiered approach is a classic SaaS strategy. It allows Jobber to attract a wide range of customers, from solo operators to larger teams. The base plans offer essential tools at an accessible price point, while the premium plans provide advanced features for businesses seeking to scale. But subscription fees are just the tip of the iceberg. Jobber has strategically integrated other revenue streams to maximize profitability. One crucial aspect is payment processing. Jobber offers integrated payment solutions, allowing businesses to accept credit and debit card payments directly through the platform. This convenience is a significant selling point for field service businesses, as it simplifies the payment process and reduces the risk of late payments. Jobber charges a transaction fee for each payment processed through their platform. This fee, while seemingly small, can generate substantial revenue as the volume of transactions increases. Think about it. A busy plumbing company might process hundreds of payments per month. Each transaction contributes to Jobber's revenue stream. This model aligns Jobber's interests with its customers. As their customers' businesses grow and process more payments, Jobber's revenue also increases. It's a symbiotic relationship. Furthermore, Jobber offers Jobber Payments, which allows for instant payouts. This is a huge benefit for businesses that need quick access to their funds. For this expedited service, Jobber also takes a percentage. Beyond subscriptions and payment processing, Jobber generates revenue through add-on services and integrations. They understand that field service businesses often rely on other software tools for specific tasks, such as accounting or marketing. Jobber offers integrations with popular platforms like QuickBooks Online, MailChimp, and Zapier. These integrations not only enhance the functionality of Jobber, but also create opportunities for revenue generation. Jobber may charge fees for certain integrations or offer premium integration packages. This allows them to capitalize on the growing ecosystem of software tools used by their target audience. Another crucial aspect of Jobber's revenue strategy is their focus on customer retention. They understand that acquiring new customers is more expensive than retaining existing ones. Jobber invests heavily in customer support, training, and resources to ensure that their customers are successful using the platform. This focus on customer success translates into higher retention rates and increased customer lifetime value. Satisfied customers are more likely to renew their subscriptions, upgrade to higher tiers, and recommend Jobber to other businesses. Additionally, Jobber also offers Jobber Grants. This is a program where they give back to their community of service businesses. While this may not be a direct revenue stream, it increases brand loyalty and attracts new customers. A positive reputation can indirectly lead to increased revenue in the long term. Jobber also leverages data analytics to understand customer behavior and identify opportunities for improvement. They analyze usage patterns, customer feedback, and market trends to optimize their platform and develop new features. This data-driven approach allows them to stay ahead of the competition and ensure that their offerings remain relevant and valuable to their customers. Another area of potential revenue, though less directly visible, lies in partnerships. Jobber may collaborate with other businesses in the field service industry, such as equipment suppliers or training providers. These partnerships can create opportunities for cross-promotion, lead generation, and shared revenue. They have also focused on building a strong community around their product. This community involvement, through online forums, webinars, and in-person events, helps to foster a sense of belonging and loyalty among their customers. A strong community can lead to increased word-of-mouth referrals and reduced churn. Jobber's business model is not static. It's constantly evolving to adapt to the changing needs of the field service industry. They invest in research and development to improve their platform, expand their offerings, and stay ahead of the competition. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.